So this is the Yeti Hopper BackFlip, and it is amazing. We just got a bunch of these. We emblazoned them with our company logo, so I blocked that out there. So, but this backpack is amazing. So you've got these little flaps in the front that you can stick some small items in. I'd say maybe something twice as wide as like a pencil or pen. I haven't really used that part of the storage. So, but if you've got some stuff, it can go there. But this thing is a Yeti cooler, which means you already know it is just the best at keeping things ice cold. So you go in here, it's got your typical kind of Yeti storage installation in there. Same thing with the top. It's got these huge, like super thick zippers that zip up, and it even comes with a almost like a wax to make sure the zipper continues and has a long life and closes up all the way with no problems. But the best part of the Yeti BackFlip is, of course, the fact that it's a backpack. So you've got the adjustable straps just like you would on any backpack. Make it longer, shorter, nice and comfortable, and goes right on your back with no problem. And you're off and running with whatever you need to keep cool in there. It's also got handles here, up on the top, where it's also got a nice smooth finish on the side here and on the side here. So this thing is just the best. The Yeti Hopper BackFlip. If you're camping, if you're going tailgating, or just going down to the community pool and want to bring some drinks with you, this thing is absolutely awesome. And it looks incredible too. And it's a Yeti, so you know it's going to keep things ice cold. Yeti Hopper BackFlip. Check it out.